Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the gradient tool in the app Hipaint. So here is the gradient tool. Just click on this and you have three options. First one is the linear gradient, which means you can have the color blended gradient from top to bottom or bottom to top, or you can even choose like left to right or like right to left like that. And here is the gradient panel, like you can adjust these accordingly, and when you click on these square you can actually choose the color you want. When you click on that you will get the option to opacity as well as at the color at the top and opacity at the bottom. Just click on each square and choose the color like this, and you can choose any color like this. And also, no, if you want to raise the opacity of any color, just choose that color and adjust the opacity. And in similar way, you can do for all the colors you have. And also, if you want to have more blended one, you can actually lengthen this line. Or if you want to have, you know, the all the colors in the in the small area, you can just shrink that line. And if you want to have another color, just click on that line anywhere on the line and you'll get another color. And actually you can choose the other color as well. Also you can adjust the colors in the line just by moving it. And you can actually, but in other app you don't have a separate option to reduce opacity for the particular color, but we have in this is very visible. And here, once you're done, just click on any tool. Usually I use the brush tool and the gradient tool will be released. And now if you click on this radial gradient, and one more thing about this is you'll have this gradient applied in a new layer automatically. And here for the same for the radial gradient, the same thing happens, but in the radial direction. Like at the center one color comes, and at the corner of the page canvas the other color comes. And you can also add the colors in the same way. And when you increase the line, the it will increase radial. And third one comes the rotating gradient, and this is more unique one. I have not seen such a gradient anywhere, but it is really beautiful to try. You can see, like, you can move the colors in the circular motion like this, and you can really see the difference it makes when I choose the color. It gives some kind of 3D blended look. I really like this, and I don't know the purpose for this gradient so far, but I wish to try something on this. This is really beautiful. And here you can see it is created in a separate layer. And this is the linear gradient. This is the radial, and this is the rotational gradient. So I think you find it useful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.